Hello everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'm going to prepare masala tea or masala chai. Masala tea is a drink where the tea leaves are boiled in whole spice infused water mixed with milk and sugar. So let's start preparing the masala tea. First, let's begin by preparing the whole spices or masala. In a mortar and pestle, add half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 green cardamom, half inch of cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, half inch of ginger and a pinch of black pepper. Pound it coarsely and keep aside. And you can exclude any spice that you don't like. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water. Add the spices and let it boil. Boil it till the flavors of the whole spices are infused into the water. Now lower the heat and add half cup of milk and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add 2 teaspoons of tea leaves, stir it and simmer it for 1 to 2 minutes or till you get the desired color of your tea. And some people like the tea to be really strong, so they boil it for a longer time. Now turn off the heat. Cover it and let it sit for 30 seconds before you serve the tea. And strain the tea leaves using a sieve before serving it. Now add sugar as per your preference and serve it hot with any of your favorite biscuits or cookies or any snacks. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.